Hey! In front of me is OnePlus Nord CE Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can install and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. You need to begin by opening Play Store. Now click on the search bar and type in Magic Fluids. Then install this free app from this mad scientist developer and open it. Now you need to click on those three lines at the bottom right corner and select Settings. Then choose I accept in the pop-up and adjust all of those settings however you want to. When you're ready, you need to click on the top right corner and bottom one again. This time though, select Set as Live Wallpaper, choose Apply, and pick Home Screen or Home Screen and Lock Screen by selecting one of those options. So now when I go back, as you can see, my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!